Okay, naka-live na ako.
Oh my God.
Hi, everyone. Well, I just wanted to say a quick hi to everybody. Anyway, I am leaving for the US, so I'm like spending time with Sienna and Francesca. So I'm leaving for the US. I will be in wait, Hawaii muna ako, Honolulu, Hawaii on teka lang ha. Ayan. So, anyway, hello from Bora. I will be in Honolulu, Hawaii on August 30 with JR at the Royal Hawaiian Theater in Waikiki Beach. And then I will have a benefit concert in Maui kasi hindi po natuloy yung concert ko last year because of Lahaina. So, matutuloy po. It's gonna be a benefit concert at Maui on September 2. Matutuloy na po yan. On September 7, I will be in Tachi Casino with JR. And then September 13, I'll be in Michigan sa Vista Tech Center. And then September 21, I'll be in Oregon at Doubletree by Hilton. And September 28, nasa Cleveland po ako sa Avon Performing Arts Center with Tutsi Guevara, si Brian, and also Garth Garcia, Brian Termelo. Hello, I'll see you guys soon on September 28. So, wala lang, just a quick hi to everyone. Teka lang yung anak ko ha. Sandali. Friends, say hi to them. Knock, knock.
Hello.
Sienna, say hi.
Sumilap ka na lang.
Silip-silip lang. Ayan, itong mga to. Ayaw, mag-live. Sabi ko mag-live ako eh. Tapos sabi, ha? Mag-live ka? Why not? So anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys in the US. So I'm just spending time with my family before I leave again. So I'm excited sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa US. So I'll be coming there soon. I wanted to say a quick hi. Ano ba ako? Ay, ang bilis. Parang hindi na ulit ako sanay. Mag-shout out. So anyway, I just wanted to have a quick live. So, yeah. Diba? It's more fun in the Philippines. Oh my gosh ka dyan. Oh my gosh. So anyway, yun. Kaka-jet ski lang namin kanina. Inulan na naman kami dito. Grabe yung ulan, ha? Sana hindi kami uulanin kasi mag-aano kami sa sunset cruise with the DJ. Tugs, 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 tugs. Okay. Magbababay na ako kasi we have to leave in a bit. Bye! Quick hi to everybody. I'll see you in the US very soon. Thank you po.